Great. Today we're going to be talking about our mixed media drawings. The first thing that we are going to talk about are the different medias that we are able to use. We can use chalk, oil pastel, watercolor, acrylic paint, and colored pencil. So before we begin that, the first thing we need to do after we have completed our drawing with pencil is separate our drawing into the different segments that we will be using to add those different medias. I have listed 5 medias and I want to use all 5 of them in my drawing to earn the highest grade. I want to segment my drawing into 5 parts, and I'm just using this with a ruler. So I've got 1 part here, 1 part down here, so that means I need to break this into 3 parts. Now they don't have to be equal parts. Granted, I don't want 1 part that's just a teeny weeny corner, okay, but they can be of varying difficulty as well. So that should be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, I have something in all of these. However, some of them there's not a whole lot of detail in, and that's okay. I can have it that way. Now, I want to kind of plan out where I want to do my different materials. I really enjoy watercolor. I also really enjoy oil pastels, so those might be the areas that are a little bit more difficult. And the ones that are a little bit easier might be ones that I really don't like using so much. Colored pencil is a material that I'm not a huge fan of, just personally, but that might be one that you really enjoy and you want to do an area that there's a lot more detail with the colored pencil. So first we are going to go over the oil pastel. So each table will get 1 box of these oil pastels. There are different colors, and you can also blend colors to get your desired color. Now, the biggest thing with this is that you want to keep the same or similar color when you move from one medium to the next medium. So as I'm looking at greens, I think my dinosaur is going to be green. I want to use a similar green over in this area that I use here, even though I'm switching materials. I want to keep this as cohesive as I can, even though I am mixing up my mediums. So let's go with a green. I'm just going to take, and I am going to use my oil pastel to kind of outline my areas here first.